Top 25 Artificial Intelligence-Based Project Ideas. Project 1 AI-Based Diagnostic System. Develop a system that uses machine learning to analyze medical images, for example, X-rays, MRIs, for early diagnosis of diseases. Project 2 Predictive Maintenance using IoT and AI. Implement a solution that uses IoT sensors and AI to predict when industrial equipment will fail, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Project 3 AI Chatbots for Customer Service. Create a chatbot that uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to customer queries in real time. Project 4 AI for Cybersecurity Threat. Detection. Develop a system that uses AI to detect and respond to cybersecurity threats more efficiently than traditional software. Project 5 Autonomous Vehicles. Design an AI system for autonomous driving that can navigate and make decisions in real time. Project 6 AI-Powered Financial Market Analysis. Implement a system that uses AI to analyze financial markets, predicting stock prices, and identifying investment opportunities. Project 7 Smart Agriculture with AI. Develop an AI system that analyzes weather, soil conditions, and crop health to provide farmers with actionable insights. Project 8 AI in Retail for Personalized Recommendations. Create an AI system that analyzes customer behavior to provide personalized product recommendations. Project 9 Facial Recognition for Security Systems. Implement a facial recognition system that enhances security by accurately identifying individuals. Project 10 AI for Environmental Monitoring. Develop a system that uses AI to monitor environmental data to predict and mitigate pollution levels. Project 11 AI-Based Sentiment Analysis for Social Media. Create a tool that uses NLP to analyze social media sentiment, helping brands understand consumer opinions. Project 12 Voice-Activated Personal Assistants. Develop a voice-activated assistant that uses AI to perform tasks and answer questions based on user voice commands. Project 13 AI for Efficient Energy Management. Implement an AI system that optimizes energy usage in buildings, reducing costs and carbon footprint. Project 14 Health Monitoring Wearables. Design a wearable device that uses AI to monitor vital signs and detect health issues early. Project 15 AI in Education for Personalized Learning. Create an AI system that adapts learning materials to the individual needs and pace of students. Project 16 Predictive Analytics for E-commerce. Implement a system that uses AI to predict consumer buying behavior, optimizing inventory and marketing strategies. Project 17 Language Translation App. Develop an AI-powered app that provides real-time translation between languages, facilitating communication. Project 18 AI for Disaster Prediction and Response. Create a system that uses AI to predict natural disasters and optimize response strategies to minimize impact. Project 19 AI-Powered Content Creation. Implement an AI system that generates written content, artwork, or music compositions. Project 20 Smart Traffic Management System. Develop an AI system that analyzes traffic data in real time to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. Project 21 AI for Drug Discovery and Development. Create a system that uses AI to accelerate the discovery and development of new pharmaceuticals. Project 22 AI-Based Game Development. Implement an AI system that creates dynamic, challenging game environments that adapt to player behavior. Project 23 AI for Legal Document Analysis. Develop a tool that uses AI to analyze legal documents, improving efficiency in legal research and contract review. Project 24 Robotic Process Automation, RPA, for business processes. Create a system that uses AI to automate repetitive, rule-based business tasks, increasing efficiency. Project 25 AI for Real-Time Sports Analytics. Implement a system that uses AI to analyze sports data, providing real-time insights for teams and broadcasters.